So with practice self-check 13.29 sorting statements, we're going to look at the difference between selection sort and merge sort, and which is the correct answers for the following statements about sorting about in big O that is true. So first, selection sort could sort a large array of numbers in O n time. This is not true because selection sort is going to repeatedly find the minimum element, and then it's going to put that at the front. So selection sort has to go through this entire list multiple times. It's not O n times. Next, we have merge sort achieves an O n log n runtime by dividing the array in half, which it does divide the array in half, and then it's going to recursively sort and merge the halves back together. This is true, so this is actually the correct answer here, but let's keep looking at the other ones. Merge sort runs faster than selection sort because it is recursive, and recursion is faster than loops. Recursion being faster than loops is not necessarily true, that makes this false. Selection sort runs in O n time if the array is already sorted to begin with, or O n squared if it is not. Well, selection sort is not necessarily, even if it's sorted, right, it still has to run through this multiple times. It's not O n or O n squared. Sorting algorithms that rely on comparing elements can only be used with type int. This already is false because sorting algorithms, even comparing elements, can do strings, whatever have you. So this is also false, and this would be our correct answer, passing our 1 out of 1 test.